What is up, guys? It's Brian with Side by Side We Ride here. We're about to do a reveal on one of our newest parts. We ordered this from Alpha Wolf Motorsports in Arizona. Really good guys to work with. We got it really fast. As you can tell, it's SuperATV. On this side, if you can tell, my little heathen tried to open it up before I could do the box reveal, so I'll flash a picture on right now of them so you can see what I'm talking about. See how this looks when I get it out. I'm pretty excited about this one. I've been wanting it. There's a couple different manufacturers that supply these. I chose this one because it has a locking feature. Looks like they wrapped it pretty good. Got some hardware there. So, if you don't know what this is one of the new trunks for the Pro XP. It also works on the TurboR. Hey, there'll be none of that. We're doing a video over here. My little heathen, he likes to interrupt everything. He wants to be part of the show. So, we're gonna do an unveil real quick, and then we're gonna do an installation and see how this looks. So, here we have it. Pretty cool. Got a latch mechanism, latches in place, this button releases it. Also has a lock. It came with some keys here, so that should make it nice and easy to secure everything. Hey, this video is not for you. Looks like it should be a pretty easy installation, and we'll come back in just a minute once we get it installed to show you how it looks. Right here is what we're going to be working with, my Pro XP. It's going to be going right in that section. Hey guys, so I just got back looking through the installation. Looks fairly simple. It is 8 screws, so it should be really easy to put on. Let me switch the mode so I can show you. So factory, you have a T40 in these 2 locations, as well as 2 there. They have flanges built into it that you're going to go ahead and install the T40 factory screws back into. Then they have some screws with nuts and washers that are going to secure through those holes right there on both sides. And then you use these other ones to secure the struts to the actual lid itself. So let me just pop it open real quick. So the struts are somewhere in this mess. Maybe not. Maybe I got them to the side, but they just attach right there, and they'll be securing down in that location. So I have laid out here the few tools that you will need for this installation. You're going to need a T40, a 10 millimeter, a 12 millimeter, a 13 millimeter, and then I got a 13 millimeter socket and 10 millimeter socket. The box cutter is just to get the box open and cut all the plastic off. Makes it nice and easy. These are the tools that you're going to need for the installation to make it nice and handy and quick. Alright guys, so we got it all installed. Sorry about the sweat. This is Texas. It is summer. It is 100+ degrees. So initial thoughts, this thing is pretty sturdy. I like the way it mounts up. It was really easy. I thought it would maybe open a little bit more, but this should be enough to reach in the back. As you can tell, it doesn't stand straight up, but you know, we'll make it work. I don't think that's really going to be an issue. Installation was super easy. It was 2 bolts, T40s right here in the front. We have the 2 T40s in the back I showed you. Now, they do have these nuts with washers underneath. Let me show you. There you can see the washers and the nuts. Now, this is the trickiest part right there, because you have to reach in here to hold the top of the screw and then reach underneath. It's really not that hard. It's easy to reach. The kicker is this thing wants to fall on you. So what I used is essentially my little camera stand right there, and I just stuck it in there so it props it up, because the struts are one of the last things you install. So I just kept my tripod in here to hold up the roof while I did the installation. So it seems to be functioning good. Oh, gotta close it here. So that's actually the first time I latched it, so I like the look of it. Let me zoom out a little. So in the appearance, it's really clean. I'm not sure how waterproof it's gonna be or dustproof. I'm assuming I might wanna add some kind of weather stripping under here. Looks like it has some, or some kind of rubber along this section. I might put my own in there, maybe do a little bit underneath where these pieces come together to help add a little bit of weatherproofing around the whole structure, but it seems to be pretty nice. Locks really well. Haven't tried the keys out yet. Let me go ahead and get those. So we got the key here right now. You push the button, it opens. Works out pretty good. Closes easy. That was all one-handed. Locked it. Now it doesn't release. So I really like that. That's why I went with this one. Springs right up for you. Easy access. The reason I went with the SuperATV is because, for one, it's not vented like a lot of the other models. The TMW, D&T makes one, ABF Fab makes one, but a lot of them are vented, which seemed like it just let the water pour in. I didn't want that for all my stuff. I was hoping to keep it fairly dustproof. Sorry about all the wind. And I wanted it to lock, which the other ones do not offer. So essentially, that's why I bought it. So I don't like the other ones with the vents, and I wanted a locking mechanism. When I get back from the trails late at night, I don't want to have to worry about people getting into all my stuff. I can keep all my air compressors, my whips, whatever I'm not running in there, tow ropes, things like that. I don't have to worry about somebody stealing that. You know, when you add all those items up, you probably got $1,000 worth of equipment in your bed sometimes. So this is a nice secure way that I can travel and not have to worry about it, and I think it looks really clean. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments.